Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about introducing yourself in English. Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I am good, Daniel. Thank you. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
That is nice.
Today, we will talk about how to introduce yourself in English.
Yes, this is very useful for beginners.
I agree. Many people want to speak English, but they do not know how to start.
That is true.
Emma, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hello, my name is Emma.
Very good.
I am 24 years old.
Nice.
I live in a small city.
Great.
I like reading books and listening to music.
That is a nice introduction.
Thank you.
Now, I will introduce myself.
Okay.
Hello. My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Nice to meet you too.
Please continue.
I am 28 years old.
Okay.
I work in an office.
That sounds interesting.
I enjoy watching movies and learning English.
Very nice.
Emma, what is the first sentence people can use?
They can say, hello, my name is Emma.
Yes, it is simple.
Everyone can use this sentence.
After that, people can talk about their age.
Yes. For example, I am 24 years old.
Good example.
Thank you.
People can also talk about where they live.
Yes, they can say, I live in London.
Or I live in a big city.
That is correct.
What about hobbies?
Hobbies are great for introductions.
I agree.
People can say, I like music.
Or I like playing soccer.
Yes.
Emma, do you like learning languages?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like it?
Because it is fun.
That sounds great.
What about you?
I like learning languages because I can talk with more people.
That is wonderful.
Let's teach some useful expressions.
Great idea.
A common sentence is, nice to meet you.
Many people use it every day.
Yes.
Another sentence is, where are you from?
Good question.
A person can answer, I am from Morocco.
Or, I am from Brazil.
Exactly.
People also ask, what do you do?
Yes.
It means, what is your job?
Right.
Emma, what do you do?
I am a teacher.
Nice.
And what do you do?
I work in an office.
Very good.
Let's talk about grammar.
Okay.
We often use the verb to be.
Yes.
For example, I am Daniel.
I am 24 years old.
I am happy.
These are simple sentences.
Another useful verb is live.
For example, I live in a city.
Good.
We can also use like,
Such as, I like coffee.
or I like books.
Very easy.
Yes.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. Hello, my name is Daniel. Hi, my name is Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and cooking.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
That is a simple conversation.
Yes, beginners can practice it every day.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And please write your introduction in the comments.
Emma, do you think practice is important?
Yes, practice is very important.
Why?
Because practice helps people speak better.
I agree.
Small steps are important.
That is true.
People do not need difficult words.
Simple words are enough.
Yes.
Pronunciation is also important.
Right.
We say, my name is.
Slowly and clearly.
Good pronunciation helps communication.
I agree.
What about shy people?
They should not worry.
Why?
Because mistakes are normal.
That is true.
Everyone learns step by step.
Please tell us, what is your name and where are you from?
We would love to read your answers.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.